Good morning, all internet users. This is a new video for
Take care of your computer.
exactly, and in today's chapter, we will show you something called software maintenance in Windows.
What is that? With this take of maintenance is clean and optimize your computer from the software part.
In short, the graphic or non tangible part of the computer.
We nothing to say, let's start.
Okay guys, chapter 1. Icons, shortcuts, folders, and gadgets on our desktop. Okay, as you can see, our desktop is a mess. When we turn on our computer, this can cause it to turn on more slowly because it will have to process more things than to solve it we do to following. Okay, the first step is we organize all files on the desktop in a single folder. One folder, okay? Create new folder, and in this folder, paste the icons. The step 2, once we have our desktop almost empty, we are going to copy that previously created folder into a file browser library, okay? Let's first open the browser library. For example, we paste the create folder in here documents. Paste. We will have our desktop empty desk. And we complete the chapter 1.
2. Cleaning temporary feeds at the user level. A. To do this, we simply have to enter Windows más R command to open the Excuse tab. B. Now we are going to write the theme and click on Accept. Finally, we select all the fields in the folder and we will delete them with the delete key. Once this is done, it's finished. This is to improve performance and free up space. With this, finish the chapter 2.
Guys, the chapter 3. Cleaning temporary files at the operating system level. The steps for this cleaning are the same as those of previous step. The only thing that change is that in the second tab we will write the command temp and then click on accept, and there will open a folder with all the files. We just delete them equally. And waiting a few seconds. And okay, the chapter 3 is complete.
Chapter 4. Install unnecessary program features. Now it is time to remove all those applications that we once installed and no longer use for this. We enter the control panel through the Start selection on Search. B. We locate the option of program and click on this. Once there, we locate the sub-option called Programs and Features. Click again and then click on Uninstall Programs. C. Finally, we will choose a list of all the programs uninstalled on the computer. We look for the date we do not use and to the desired on click on it and the on uninstall. We will accept everything and then wait for it to be uninstalled. With this, we finish the chapter 4.
Hey guys, the step 5 increase performance with Windows own settings. Now is the time to use our operating system to optimize our equipment in terms of performance without settings installed and software to do so. First, enter the command Windows +R. Okay, once open it, write the command msconfig and then click on Accept button. We will be shown a menu where we will have several tabs as you can see: General, Start, Service and Others. In the General tab, we will select the normal Start. The Boot tab, the most useful actually, we will make the following configurations. Here, we look for the option Not We Booked. Once this is done, we click on Advanced Options. There, we activate the option Number of Processors and select All Possible. Also, the maximum amount of memory, write the maximum capacity of the RAM in megabytes, and then click on Accept. Finally, in the Service tab, we will deactivate all those services that we don't want to be executed when we are working with our equipment. In a few words, necessary programs, such as those that you can see we are deactivating. To deactivate them only by clicking the boxes that you're on the left side of each service. For example, this. Once we have configured everything, click here on Apply and Accept. With this, we finished the chapter 5. Well, this was all for today. We're learning something else, as always.
They already don't longer leave your like and see you in a next video.
Until the next time.